Greetings, you guys. How everybody is doing out there. And I know we are wrapping up the tax season, but we're really in the March race, right? I call it March Madness, but or the March Gladness. It's March. Well, if anyone is sharing this in this video right quick, my name is Ervin, Dr. Ervin. I am the executive manager of Ervin Management Group, LLC, and we are here to serve you, sole proprietors, entrepreneurs, grassroots organizations with 501c that just starting out to help you within your industry to stay in compliance with bookkeeping and tax planning and tax preparation. And so far, we have entered into 2022 phenomenally with open doors. And with these open doors, with these relationships and memberships, it will solidify not only Ervin Management Group, but it will also enhance our ability to help you, the business owner, to prepare to receive funding. They have so much funding out of here, you guys. I mean, money is just everywhere. Literally, it's always been like that. However, as you see, there are striving to make sure that the equality and the liquidity of the resources come to the small businesses. But I've also seen too, you guys, that we are not getting the information. So I purposely, through a lot of prayers, because I was like, God, I don't want to keep dealing with this type of shenanigans. What is happening? Well, what's happening, you guys? They are distributing the resources to other organizations, all right? And these organizations are there in place to maintain protocol regulations and to alleviate all the fraud, right? Even though we know it still slips by. But with that said, with the help of Ervin Management Group, we have assisted over 100 businesses to receive funding. And I'm just going to touch on something that happened 2 days ago that may be a awesome move for small businesses. But I don't want to jump, finish my statement. I have a tendency of doing that. I'm striving to do better, you guys. Okay, so the funding is available to small community organizations. They call them community navigators. I want you guys to go to sba.gov and you will see that's the first thing they're going to put up there, community navigators. Why? They have so many businesses that have started since the pandemic, right? And now the resources is to revitalize the economy, especially through businesses. So what they have done, they have distributed these resources, the funding that came out of the infrastructure. Yes, infrastructure. They use that. Well, I'm not even gonna go into that. But anyway, they have funding inside that infrastructure bill to help corporations revitalize their companies. So you guys that are in business, if you have not formed no type of DBA, let's do that. But to really benefit from the resources that are out here, you must incorporate. Okay, Ervin Management Group have an awesome incorporation process. You will not just get a piece of paper that you send in yourself, right? You will get your whole corporation portfolio. That means you have everything from your operating agreement, your minutes, your formation, the state of Texas corporation seal. You will also get your own personal seal. And we also have opportunity for you to gain crowdfundings. If somebody want to invest in your business, you can give them a piece of stock in your business through Ervin Management Group. So with that, I will have another video on that. I just want to share with you guys. Yes, it is the peak season. Then calm down. We're in March. March usually be all the business owners coming in, those with stocks and dividends coming in, and then it's going to escalate again in the month of April. So this is the right time for you all to get all your financials together, to get all your expenses together, and get all of your income statements together, even if you have a W-2 job. All right, let's get all those papers together, and you can either email it to me. I do have a secure fax line that is 713-588-8702 for you guys, for you business owners that have all of your documents. Those that do not literally need the bookkeeping part, that means you already have all your stuff listed for me just to enter it in. If I have to separate and receipts and file and dictate, no, that's bookkeeping fee. So, I mean, yeah, bookkeeping. Okay, and so we're going to be sending out a new procedures, even for the accounting part in the bookkeeping, to my business owners that literally have a lot of activities in their business. And we're going to streamline this so it won't be so vast, because we are growing. So in the beginning, several years ago, I was able to do that. Now we're expanding, and I want you guys also, please opt in into my virtual assistant so Jay can help me help you. Do not hang up the phone, you guys. Y'all complaining, you're complaining, but if I don't get the message, how can I help you? All right, opt into the form, and you have to do this because of legal issues. Ervin Management Group, LLC, is bonded. We stand in compliances and just certain protocols and guidelines that we have to abide by as a corporation. Okay, so yes, we're leveling up, and I want you to level up. So as we grow and begin to have staff members, all right, let's go ahead and let's grow together. All right, I want to mention this one thing, and I'm gone. As I stated earlier, Isabel Guzman have said through the State of the Union that she is alleviating the zip codes. So that's a good news for those that are still struggling with that 4506T and that reconsideration for your EIDL. Don't get discouraged and don't worry about it. If I'm telling you, find out this information, you have to do it. I know they're going to have you guys on that phone, but you're going to have to be persistent. I've been persistent since November 2020. It is what, March 2022, and I just got approved. I have a stack of papers then sent in about 134506T. I think they just want to make sure that you are literally a business when it comes down to that. But I did not give up. I sent letters. I wrote my Congress. I wrote my senator. I made phone calls. I kept sending the information back, and they say, well, we need this. We need your board. We need them to sign this. Fine, whatever you need, you guys. Between IRS, I don't know why they ain't moving so fast anyway. Between IRS and SBA, they clashing. Why? Because their 450T form, I don't have a copy of it, has really, really caused havoc for small businesses. So what they're doing now, they're striving to see if they can pull your 2018 tax return, okay? And if you just started your business in 2019, then you're gonna have to write a statement. All right, but I'm just encouraging you all, don't give up, all right? Don't give up, okay? You just be persistent, all right? And if I'm calling and asking you questions, please be graceful. I'm not in control of SBA. I'm not in control of IRS. I am your navigator in between to make sure you have your I's dotted and your T's crossed. Now, some of you guys have multiple applications with SBA through this EIDL. Then now they didn't flag your business, period. So instead of just not giving up and being fussy, call them and get it straight. They had me the same way. They say I had multiple applications, which was not true. Come to find out, their system had a glitch. But if you do not be proactive about it, okay, I've submitted applications on behalf of many. Some of you got your funding. Some of you still waiting. Some of you declined. Okay, let's look at that decline letter. What do they say why they decline you? It could still be their fault, but let's follow up. If they say your credit wasn't in, don't be fussing and say, well, my credit is this, my credit. No, let's go ahead and pull that credit report. Let's go ahead and let's update that credit report. We have helped individuals with that. All right. I'm still getting people bucking against this and that. I really don't, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I really don't care about your business or your personal business or whatever. I care about you getting your papers in order. So whatever you try to do, you can get it without a roadblock. So yes, if I ask you, okay, let's do your credit report, mail it to me. Please do not email it to me. I'm gonna have to print it out and I'm gonna have to charge you for printing the ink. So mail it to me. You make the copies, you put it in the mailbox, you have the address, send it to Dr. D, okay? Because I'm gonna get there and I have time to look at it, highlight it, then I could type the appropriate letters on your behalf. That's only if those that have paid me, pay the fee for the credit restoration, all right? Those that I have already assisted, come on, let's follow up, check your emails, check your mail, because as soon as you get a response from the credit bureaus, we got to send them other letters out. Okay, that's number 2. And the last thing, tax preparation. Let's make sure you go to ervinmanagementgroup.com. I don't know if I can show you my screen right quick, then I'm gone. Go to ervinmanagementgroup.com right here. Okay. You scroll down. You print out this data form. Print out this data form. That's all I merge. You feel free to support the company because we still do have our Black Women in Business Over 50. That is a fund that I am passionate about and doing some other things that can be very, very a blessing to women in business over 50. Here go the client data form. You click that, look, bam, it opens up. Print that out and fill this out. If you receive your stimulus check, your stimulus payments, you just make sure that you inform me that you got it. If not, you will be able to retrieve this, right? You'll be able to retrieve this on your tax return. Business checklist. Okay, this is another item that you guys can glean from. One of it's gonna let me see I have to get my son to check my, because it's only letting me do like one thing at a time. Maybe I have too many windows open. My emails, I don't need that. I don't want to eat. I don't want to accidentally hang up on you guys. All right. It's time for me to get off of here. That's what this means. All right. So you guys, look, I just want to say hi to you all. I know the time is running out fast. I want you guys to save the date. I have an awesome, our second quarter workshop will begin April 9th. Save the date. Usually it's going to be in the morning, on a Saturday morning at 10:30, preferably. I am contracting with another company right now. I have to see if they're going to need me to work that day. If not, it'll be that 7:30. I might just go ahead and keep it at 7:30. So it gives us an opportunity to, everybody can be in and do what we have to do. Okay, so April 9th, just save the date and I'll make the announcement. I'll send you guys an email. Check your emails, all right? Also, go to Ervin Management Group on the YouTube channel and subscribe to that channel. I will have videos like this uploading to give you guys information to keep y'all posted. But most importantly, I want you all to stay hungry, all right? Let's work together. Yes, everything, it seems like rush, but yet places, businesses, I want you guys to have patience with businesses when you go and do business, because everybody is lack of employees. Okay, they're lack. The staff is short. All right, have a skeleton crew. So don't go up in them places hollering and screaming. If something is not right, we can handle it professionally. Okay, we'll be able to handle it properly. Okay, and you can get results. Ervin Management Group is here to help you get results. Okay, so if you all have fallen into that reconsideration halt, okay, go back, check your emails, all right? The phone number is in that email. Call them, find out what do they need from you to move your application into the review stage or the request for additional funding, okay? Now, any new applications, as deadline is over with, but those that still have pending application through the IRS, you have the ability to receive funding still, all right? That means 2 years you have before you even start paying back the loan, all right? And then with that, it's only a 3.75% interest on that loan. So you got 2 years, you guys, that your business have resources from SBA. You know how much credibility that's going to be for your company? Awesome. Don't say, oh, I ain't getting no loan. Oh, I ain't messing with that. Why not? You need the money. And newsflash, 25,000 or more, you need collateral. Now, if you have collateral, go ahead and go for the gusto, okay? But if you don't have a collateral that's worth $25,000, and to save you headache, I will just accept $25. I'm just saying, I'm no legal attorney. I'm not a tax attorney. I'm not a financial attorney, okay? But to alleviate anything else, once they say you approve, all right, and they're telling you, okay, how much do you request in advance? Well, let me rewind that. How much are you requesting funding? How much more funding you requesting? Okay, I will request up to $25,000 if you do not have an adequate collateral. If you have adequate collateral, go ahead and request how much you want. But remember, after the 2 years, you got to start paying that back. So make sure you're able to pay that back every month, because you don't want to go default on an SBA loan. Newsflash on that one. Don't let that create fear for you not to apply for it. But I'm just giving you some wisdom to alleviate all the meticulous rhetoric that comes after the $25,000, especially if you only have 2 people, meaning, matter of fact, you only have 1 employee and that's you, and you have a part-time worker, don't do yourself that injustice, okay? So that's just a little tidbit, that's all. I want to say hi, let me go. I probably went over my minutes again. God bless you guys, and I want to see you guys to see. Ervin Management Group is here to be a blessing to you all. I want your business to be sustainable. I want your business to get funding. I want your business to grow. And through these quarterly workshops, I'm going to be sharing you guys some nuggets. So let's get ready. Save the date, April 9th. I'll probably go ahead and keep it for 7:30. April 9th, 7:30, we'll have our second quarter workshop, okay? Watch your emails. God bless you all and have a magnificent day and an awesome, awesome week. God bless you.